welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you are new here, and I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the Roots party. I don't really know what to call this. This is a hair party. And if you're not new here, welcome back, friend. We're glad to have you back. But today, this hair video is going to be more of like a vlog style because I'm just quickly gonna do this and I just thought y'all might want to see it because I had a couple people asking me for a new hair video. So I just thought I'd film it real quick and not put it in my weekly vlog, but go ahead and show y'all by itself. And I'm just going to quickly retone my hair because I don't know if y'all can see, like it's pretty white, but I don't know if y'all can see, but there are like a few like yellow patches through my hair, and it's just because like when I toned it, I thought I overtoned it, so I was trying to like wash it out a little bit, wash the color out, and so I washed a little too much out. So now I'm gonna just retone it, well, recolor it basically, because I used some new products this most recent time when I redid my hair. I used these two products to tone my hair and like color it, and then this is Pearl and Titanium by Tang, MyDentity. Now these products are products that you can get as a professional only, or having access to a professional cosmetology store, because I am not a professional, but my sister is, so when she gets products, I just use them. So but anyway, you can't just go to Sally's or the beauty supply store and get this particular product, but you can get another toner and do the same thing. And I'm not gonna re-bleach my hair, although I'm tempted because I do see some little black roots coming through. Y'all probably gonna be like, what black roots? But I see them low-key. I'm low-key tempted to re-bleach, but I'm not gonna do that because there's really no point. Once I retone, it's gonna cover up the color that I see. But I do wanna show y'all what bleach I used because it's a new bleach. If you've been following me for a while, you see that I use like Quick Blue sometime. I use Kaleidoscope Blue bleach. I use Blondor, but I recently saw this brand on Slayed by Jonathan's Instagram, and he bleached his hair with this and it looked so good. So I was like, let me try a new brand. So I did pick this brand up. Same with this. This is from Cosmoprof. So if you're a licensed professional or have access to a licensed professional, you can, you know, get these products maybe. But that's what I used to bleach it. I only did 2 rounds. And that's the thing. Like previously, I usually do like 3 or 4 rounds of bleach to get it this bright. But this brand, it only took me 2 rounds. So that's what sold me there. So we're going to go ahead and get to mixing up this color and get this little kind of grayish silvery purplish tone back to my hair, because I actually liked it. Like I was a little concerned at first. I was like, dang, I overtoned it. Sorry, I'm plugging my camera up, y'all. At first I was like, dang, I overtoned it, but then I was like, wait, this is kind of fire. So we're gonna go ahead and put the color back in. I'm gonna got my mixing bowl here, got my applicator brush. I'm gonna mix the colors in. The ratio is 1 to 2. So I'm supposed to do part 1 of this, part 2 of the developer with it, which I'm running kind of low on this. So this is probably my last use out of this. But this is the Titanium shade, and I'm just gonna mix that in here. I'm gonna squirt it down and then show y'all because it's kind of hard to show y'all that on camera. Much, and I'm not gonna measure this. I'm just gonna eyeball it because, child, it's hard putting this thick stuff in a measuring spoon because it's hard to dump it back out. But yeah, and this particular product, I don't have to leave it on there for long because my hair is already so white. It's only gonna be on there for a few minutes, 5 minutes max. So y'all let me know how y'all like this, just kind of like quick, like vlog style, make hair video. I did want to like, next time I bleach my hair over again, I'll do more of like a formal style video. But I just wanted to like quickly share this with y'all because I've been getting a lot of questions about my hair lately. And I just thought y'all wanted to get the tea quickly because it's going to be maybe another week or 2 before I actually re-bleach my hair. So I just wanted to go ahead and give y'all at least this tidbit. But yeah, hopefully this will hold y'all over till I actually re-bleach my roots. All right, so this is what it looks like. This color right here is the Titanium. This color over here is the Pearl, and then this is the activator. And this is what the activator package looks like. See, it's almost gone. I had to squeeze it like toothpaste. I'm just gonna mix that all up. I'm really just messing. I really don't have to do this today, but I want to, because these little yellow patches, random yellow patches, are disturbing me, and I want to go shoot some content today, which y'all will see in another vlog. But and follow me on Instagram so you can see the pics that I come up with. But I'm gonna get some shots in a wig, and then I'm gonna take my wig off and get shots with my real hair. So I should start on those yellow spots because that's the most important thing, to tone that yellow out. Y'all hear Ryder? Oh my god. He's in there watching his show. I'm just going to apply this all over. Hopefully I mixed up enough. Like, I'm gonna have to spread this out quickly because it's gonna start toning before I can even get it all on. You want it to tone as evenly as possible, so I gotta try to move quickly. Already kind of starting to turn silver, which is what we want to see. I actually really ended up liking that kind of purpley silver lavender look that I got last time. After, you know, staring at it for a while, I actually ended up loving it, so I'm going for that same thing again. This time it's intentional. Last time it was a little bit of trial and error, kind of like a mistake a little bit. Y'all see how it's already starting to turn lavender a little bit? That's what we want. So like, just for reference, like, I haven't always used this Tang product to tone my hair. Usually I just use, what's the name? Shimmer Lights. And then just for that initial toning, like while I'm washing out the bleach, like just to give it a little bit of, you know, gas to the pedal. But to actually put a toner in my hair, I would usually use, it's from Sally's. I can see the packaging, but I can't call the name of the brand. That's what I usually tone with before I started trying this Tang product. And that was just from, like, you know, going to Sally's or the beauty supply store, because you can get that in there. Oh, it's by Wella. That's the brand. And I would get T18, and that tones it really well too. So don't, you know, be discouraged if you can't get to the Cosmo Prof store, like the professional store. Don't be discouraged. You can still achieve the same look. You're just gonna have to get alternative products. And the only reason I'm combing through this, y'all, is so I can make sure, like, you know, it's evenly distributed. When you have short hair, it's just kind of hard to tell if it really hits every single spot. But that's just my way of kind of like making sure it hit everywhere. So don't be alarmed. But yeah, so really, since it's this purple already, I really can go ahead and wash it out. It hasn't even been 5 minutes, I'm sure. But I'm just gonna take the time to wash the bowl out, and then we're gonna rinse it out, and I will come back with the finished results. Okay, so y'all, I've washed the color out, and you see how like purple it is. It really kind of startled me the first time I did it, but now I'm used to it, so I'm just gonna slick it down. It actually dried a little bit because I had to go feed my son, so it was dried, but I'm gonna put some more water in it and slick it down. I'm gonna show you how I do that. And pretty much all of this information was also on my Instagram in a reel. But if y'all don't follow me on Instagram already, make sure you do that so you can see the real version, because, well, not the real like R-E-A-L, but the R-E-E-L, because that version was a little more aesthetically pleasing. This one's pretty like just quick vlog style, but yeah, so I just wet it again because it looks better when it's wet. I'm just gonna get my brush and just kind of brush it in the direction I want it to go initially. I was like a Backstreet Boy, but whatever. All right, and so to slick it down, I use Eco Gel. This one, the one that I happen to have right now, is the black castor and flaxseed oil. I don't have a particular favorite, to be honest. I just grab whichever one I'm feeling in the mood for that day. And then I'm using some Mielle leave-in conditioner. oats and honey blend. And I really prefer the pomegranate leave-in conditioner, but I'm out of that one, so this one will do. And really, why I prefer the other one, it just smells really good. This one don't stink or nothing. It's just, I really enjoyed that particular line by them. This is my first time trying this line by them. Well, not today's my first time, but like this purchase was my first purchase of this particular line. But I mean, it's cool too. I really want a part in my hair, but I don't think my clippers are sharp enough. Like, I don't think they're quite good enough to be putting a part in my head, and I don't want to mess it up. But I'm just gonna take a generous amount of gel. I'm not slight with it. Like, I'm pretty heavy-handed with the product, if y'all don't know already. So I'm just gonna slick it. You want to make sure you're concentrating on the edges and like the perimeter, because that's, for me anyway, typically seems to be the part of my hair that kind of strays away, and like the nape. Like, she gets a little unruly around the perimeter, but the middle does whatever I need it to do usually. That's where I concentrate most of the product, but I'm definitely for sure gonna run it all the way through. And it looks kind of darker than I remember it, and that's probably because I'm getting some more black roots peeking through. But she's looking kind of dark. She might brighten up after she dries, but she's looking kind of dark. But we not mad at her. We're gonna let her ride. Y'all see them waves coming through? Period. But everybody naturally has a swirl in the back of their head. But you just won't see it until, you know, you have short hair. And I happen to have a swirl in the front too. It's called a cowlick, I believe is what the barbers call it. But so I have to like kind of brush my hair a certain way in the front, but whatever. I just love how cute my head is. Like, this is why I keep my hair short. Like, I just love my head. But let me find my scarf so I can have my scarf is. All right, y'all, so I'm just using like this lengthy kind of like satin scarf or whatever. I really prefer a do-rag when doing this, but I can't find my good do-rag. The do-rag that I do know where it's at is no good. Like, I hate it. So this material is better. So I'm just going to wrap. Oh, see, this one ain't quite wide enough though, so I kind of struggle with getting it in the right place. Oh, make sure the nape is covered. I'm gonna pull it around and then cross it at the top and just tie it in the back. The reason a do-rag is better is because it covers your whole head evenly. Like, sometimes the middle of my hair doesn't have enough pressure on it to really lay like I need it to, but really the edges is what's most important to be laid all the way. The middle will kind of do its own thing for me anyway. So I'm just gonna let that set for a while I do my makeup and other things throughout the day. And then I'll show y'all the finished result once I'm really done. Like, once my makeup and stuff is done and I look cute or whatever. So see y'all in a bit. Okay, y'all, so my makeup is done. I just haven't put my lashes on yet, but here is the finished product of my hair. It's giving lavender silver. We're trying a little something new. But yeah, so I'm gonna put my lashes on and go shoot this content. So I will also insert some pics of, you know, how that goes and how it looks in the daylight and everything. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little quick, just kind of like quick on hand tutorial. Like, it was very just quick and easy. I just wanted to really just like show y'all that and the products that I was using. I hope you enjoyed it. This not so formal video, but thank you all so much for watching. I will insert some clips of me shooting content so y'all can see this in the sunlight, and beats enough. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, turn on your post notifications, all of that. All right, peace.
SH. Sheesh. SH. EE. SH. E-E-S-H. Sheesh.